5.2 question number 6 reads as the price of 3 chairs and 2 table is rupees 4,500 and price of 5 chairs and 3 table is rupees 7,000. Then find the price of 2 chairs and 2 tables. Now children, here it is not just the cost of one chair, right? They asked us the cost of 2 table and 2 chair. So you can say 2x plus 2y. That is us. So in that way the things are different. Otherwise the things are same, right? So let the price of the chair be rupees x. Let the price of table be rupees y. So 3x plus 2y. That way we will go ahead. Is the sum clear to you children? The mathematical understanding is clear. Shall we make the statements? Okay. So let us begin. Let the price of one chair be rupees x and let the price of one table be rupees y. Correct? So therefore, according to given information, what is the information we will have? 3x plus 2y is equal to 4,500, right? And 5 chairs, that means 5x plus 3y is equal to 7,000. Now children, observe these two equations and tell me, is it in a reduced form or you can reduce it? See, this 3 and 2 you cannot reduce because it is the small number, right? They are the prime number, so you cannot reduce. Here also 5 and 3 both are prime numbers, so you cannot reduce. So it is already in a reduced form. So we can write down equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now observe these two equations and tell me how will you solve this.
We will multiply 5 by equation 1 and 3 by equation 2.
I would suggest beta ये 5 और 3 है ना, ये big number है, 2 और 3 small number है. So it's better if we'll do this क्योंकि already हाँ ये ज़्यादा बड़े है ना. See, this is 4,500 and this is 7,000. Yes. You can do either way, no problem. Okay. If you want to eliminate x, you have to multiply this equation by 5 and you have to multiply this equation by 3. एक दूसरे के coefficient से multiply करो. But I feel 2 और 3 छोटे हैं थोड़े, so I will eliminate y. So I will multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 2. Okay. इक्वेशन 1 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, इक्वेशन 3 को 2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूंगी. ओके, सो लेट अस राइट डाउन मल्टीप्लाई इक्वेशन 1 बाय 3. नाउ बाय 3 आई एम doing it this way. I just put an arrow so that you can follow it. Okay, this is an okay. Otherwise you will understand something else. It's like interchanging of this. So this is multiplied by 3 and equation 2 by number 2. So we will have this multiplied by 3. So 3x plus 2y is equal to 4,500. So open the bracket. It will be 9x plus 6y. 2 zeros, 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. So 13,500. So big number are coming now. And now When you will multiply this equation number 2 by 2, come on, multiply that also. This will give equation number 3, yeah children? So this 5x plus 3y is equal to 7000. This you are going to multiply. And children, remember that when you are multiplying left hand side, right hand side, both. So you will have 10x plus 6y is equal to 7 2s are. See, 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 2 7s are 14. Correct? So that way we will go ahead. This will be equation number 4. Now observe equation 3 and 4 and tell me how will you go about. Check the coefficient of x, check the coefficient of y and say. What did you say? What you will do? कौन सा बड़ा दिख रहा है? ये बड़ा दिख रहा है ना? ये 14,000 है, ये 13,500 है. So I will subtract equation number 3 from 4. So subtracting equation 3 from 4. Right? So we will have 3 from 4. So I will write equation number 4 of 10x plus 6y is equal to 14,000. This will be right, and then minus I have to do, and that is 9x plus 6y is equal to 13,500. When it is a subtraction, we are going to change the sign of all. Correct? 10 minus 9, it is just 1. And here 14,000 minus 37,500, that means it is 500. So I got the value of x as 500. Correct? So I got x is equal to 500. Now substitute x is equal to 500 in equation 1. 1 or 2, whatever you take. So it was like, let me take 2. Chalo. So equation number 2 was 5x plus 3y is equal to 7,000. Na? So in this I am going to put x is equal to 5,000. So 5 into 500 plus 3 into y is equal to 7,000. So 5 5s are 25, and then double 2 0, 3y is equal to 7,000. Children, always go systematically, do all the steps. When you will do all the steps, everything will be clear to you. Right? So it will be 3y is equal to 7,000 minus 2,500. So your 3y will be, come on, subtract it.
4,500.
4,500. So you got 4,500. So y will be 4,500 upon 3. So 3, 15 3s are 45, right? So you will get y is equal to 1,500. Followed. So that means we got the price of one table. So price of one chair is rupees 500 and price of one table is rupees 1500. But children, this is not the answer. The answer you need to do two table and two chair, right? So you need to do it. So when you will do that, that will be the answer. So how will you do? You will again write down therefore price of two chairs and two tables is 2 into 500 plus 2 into 1500. Correct? So it is 1000 plus 3000. So it comes out to be 4000. Huh? So you have to write the answer. Children, always remember, when you will write the answer in words, it should be along with the units. So answer, price of two tables and two chairs is rupees 4000. Is rupees 4000.